Hey Jazzy Squad, welcome to day one of the 7-day refresh. I'm Jazz, and today we're going to be focusing on a 15-minute total body and balance workout. This workout is designed for beginners and seniors, but all fitness levels are welcome to participate. Let's get your weights ready to go. Let's get a mat ready to go. Let's take a few deep breaths to get ourselves centered, and we'll get started soon. All right, team, let's get a quick warm-up going and we'll get started. So let's just get some sit to stands going. Grab a chair of some kind, grab a bench, and let's get those nice sit to stands, feet shoulder width, arms out the whole time, okay? We'll just stand up nice and tall, carefully sit down, and repeat that. We gotta get these shoulders warmed up because we're gonna be doing a lot of shoulder work. Got some good leg workouts going, a lot of balance stuff. So a good total body workout today for this day one of the 7-day refresh. Hope you're having a great day wherever you're at. Get nice and warmed up here. Inhale down, exhale up, beauties. All right, almost there. Okay, up first, we got the balance front raises going, okay? So snag a nice pair of light weights, okay? You're either gonna stand on one foot, okay? You can have that other foot elevated, you can have that other foot down on the toes, or you can just have that foot down to give yourself as much stability as possible, working on that shoulder work with these light weights. Okay, I'm gonna start with 5 pounds here. Let's get started. Let's start with the right leg first. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and go. So just bring it up, okay, and then down. And then intermittently, I'm gonna call out these holds. All right, we're getting these front raises up here, shoulder height. Nice little micro bend in that elbow as you bring these weights up. Abs tight, everybody. All right, everybody bring it up and hold. Strong hold up here, strong shoulders, let's go. And down, keep breathing, let's go. All right, team, we're gonna get through these 15 minutes pretty quickly. Got a lot of good stuff for you planned. All right, carefully switch those legs. You can take a quick little breather. Let's stand on that left leg now, elevate that right foot, or have that foot down onto the floor or the toes. Go ahead. Abs tight. Try to find a focal point. Find a focal point of some kind right in front of you, right at eye level, to really help with that balance. Every time I work with my clients, it's really, balance work is really about just kind of a lot of focusing. So my focal point right now is you guys, the beautiful Jazzy Squad. Let's bring it up and hold, bring it up and hold. All right, nice and steady, good job, and continue, let's go. Keep with that rep, shoulders are on fire, let's go. All right, and rest it up, team, great job. Okay, put those weights down. We're gonna get the lunge high knees next, okay? So if you need a chair or a bench, please snag that or a wall for some balance, okay? But if you want that extra challenge, try not to hold anything, and we're gonna get that deep lunge with that high knee, okay? If the deep lunge is too much for you, just give me a nice little half lunge, all right, team? Here we go. So let's start with that right leg back. 3, 2, 1, and go. So deep lunge, high knee. All right, deep lunge, high knee. Okay, so first set we're gonna do with no weights, okay, and then second set will be a little spicy. If you want to be a little bit spicy and get some weights, please do, but if you want to stick with just the body weight lunge with that high knee, that's okay. All right, this is a really good leg workout as well as balance workout here. Bringing up that high knee, keeping ourselves stable, nice and strong on just one leg. It takes a lot of balance, takes a lot of challenge. Okay, it's a pretty challenging movement, but if you need that wall, okay, if you need that wall, if you need that chair, please gently, carefully just hold on to that. All right, team, switch it up. Let's step back with that left leg now. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and go. So deep lunge, high knee. All right, so again, if you have that wall, if you have that chair or bench holding as a safety net, a little assistance, try not to really grab it, okay? Nice soft touch on it, okay? Softer the touch, the more challenge there is. But if you really need to grab it, that's fine. We don't want anybody falling. That's why we're doing these balance exercises in these Jazz It Ups, to make our balance, strengthen our balance, make ourselves nice and sturdy. All right, and rest it up, beauties. Great job, okay? Next, we're gonna get the push-ups going with the Supermans, okay? Push-ups going with those Supermans, all right? So if you need to put your knees down for this, for the push-ups, please do. If a push-up is too challenging on the floor, that's not a problem. Just hold that plank either with your knees up or with your knees down. A lot of variations with this one, okay, team? And then you're gonna give me those Supermans. You're either gonna get both arms and legs up, or you're gonna go right arm, left leg, left arm, right leg, and have that head follow those arms coming up. All right, beauties, here we go. First up, push-ups. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. So just nice and steady push-ups here. You don't need to go too fast. So just kind of bring it down, up and hold, down, up and hold, and repeat that, team. Big inhale down, exhale up. Big inhale down, exhale up. You could either do this with your knees down, or you can just hold that plank. Knees up or knees down. All right, rest it up, team. Good job. Lay on that chest now, and let's get those Supermans, okay? Arms and legs fully extended for this. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and go. So just bring it up, no holding. Bring it up as high as you can. Remember, you can either do both arms and legs, or right arm, left leg, left arm, right leg. All right, beauties, keep it up. Get this in. Good total body, balanced day going. Y'all are doing great. Keep pushing, keep breathing. Let's go. Almost there. All right, and rest it up. Carefully bring yourself up. Get a nice little child's pose if you need to. And then carefully bring your beautiful selves up. Okay, for the last one in the sequence, okay, we're gonna get the resistance band side steps going with that dumbbell extension. Okay, so if you want that extra challenge, snag a dumbbell, nice lightweight, nothing more than 5 pounds, okay? Place the resistance band around those ankles, beauties. Okay, and then we're gonna extend that weight out when I call for it, okay? 2 to 3 steps to the right, 2 to 3 steps to the left. If you wanna do this with no weight and just extend your arms out, that is fine as well. All right, team, here we go. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. So get nice and low. Get those weights out immediately. Oh yeah. Excellent. This is gonna give you a good glute leg workout with the shoulders and abs. Everybody bring the weights back. Bring those arms back and the weights back. Give your shoulders a little bit of a rest here, but still working those booties. All right, extend that weight out again. Let's go. Great job. Excellent job, team. Stay low. Weights back. Nice and easy here, team. Let's go. All right, almost there, team, almost there. Get those weights out again. All right, rest it up. Great job. Snag some water if you need it. All right, whew. Catch that breath. Beautiful job, squad. Okay, and let's go back to the top with that balance front raise going, okay? Light weights again. Try your best to keep it at light weights. This is primarily, we want to primarily focus on the balance here rather than heavy weights for our shoulders, okay, team? Here we go. I needed to catch my breath right there. Woo, that was a good one. All right, beauties, here we go. Stand on your left leg first, elevate that right foot. Let's get after it. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Remember, intermittent holds when I call for it. Remember, you can have that right foot elevated. You can have those toes down, or you can just have that foot down, but try to put that left foot forward to put a little bit more focus on the stability on that left side. All right, everybody up and hold. Breathe strong, let's go. Great job. Continue repping, beauties, go. Find that focal point in front of you. Focus on that focal point. All right, team, carefully switch the leg. Right foot now. Elevate that left foot. 3, 2, 1, go. Let's start out with the hold right here. Let's go, hold. Strong hold, abs tight. Abs tight, let's go. And continue, let's go, team. Great job. Excellent job, beauties. We're growing strong right here. One more hold here, one more hold, let's go. One more hold. Shoulder height, let's go. And rest it up. Woo-wee. These shoulders are on fire. Great job, team, beautiful. Let's get those lunge high knees going, okay? If you're feeling spicy, grab some nice light medium weights, okay? Again, really focusing on the balance here first. Let's step back with our right leg first. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and let's get it, team. So deep lunge, high knee, okay? Deep lunge, high knee. Remember, if the holding weights is too challenging, that's fine. Just stick with no weights, or stick with holding that wall or chair for your balance. All right, squad. This is a total body workout day, but really emphasizing the balance part. Okay? Want to make sure that we are stable, as I almost fall right there. Abs tight. When you bring up that knee, boom, let's go. Excellent job, squad. Excellent job, almost there. All right, let's switch it up. Step back with that left leg now. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Inhale down, exhale up. Looking good, team. Looking good, Jazzy Squad. Day 1 of 7. We're cruising, we're crushing it. Let's go. Let's go, team. You can do this 7-day refresher. First of the year. Hitting those resolutions if you want, or you can do it anytime throughout the year. Hence, 7-day refresher if and when you ever need it. All right, team, rest it up. Beautiful job. All right, put those weights down. Let's bring our beautiful selves down to the floor. Okay, we're gonna get those push-ups first. Remember, push-up, knees up, knees down, or just holding, knees up or knees down. All right, squad, here we go. Arms nice and wide. Let's get after it. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. So push up, down, up, hold, down, up, and hold. If you want to go pretty fast with the push-ups, you can. But if you need a little bit more stability, a little bit more time to bring yourself down, that's okay. This is on your pace. I'm just here to guide you guys and gals and theys, or everybody. All inclusive, team. Let's go. Inhale down, exhale up. All right, rest it up. Beautiful job. Let's get onto those chests. We're looking good. Finishing up with these 15 minutes. Told you, team, in the beginning. Goes fast. Only got a few more minutes left. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and go. Supermans. 2 variations here. Right arm, left leg, left arm, right leg. Or both arms and legs up at the same time. Have that head. Follow those arms. Let's go. Excellent job, team. Keep it up. Squeeze those booties. Squeeze that lower back. Great low impact back workout, glute workout. Let's go. All right, rest it up. Quick little child's pose. Beautiful. All right, bring yourselves up. Let's finish this up, team. Almost done. Let's get those resistance bands and those light weights. Last one, squad. Doing great. Muy excelente. Very good. All right, I'm already sweating. This is good, team. Let's go. All right, look at that. Around 100 calories burned already in these 15 minutes. Let's get after it. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Everybody, let's go. Stay low with these, teams. Stay low. Weights out. Excellent job, squad. Bring those weights back in. Side step with that dumbbell extension. All right, weights out, let's go. All right, weights back. We're almost there, team, almost there. Let's go, day one. Day one. Almost there. And rest it up, team. Great job. Woo. Wah, wah, wee, wah. Excellent job, squad. Hope you're feeling good. Hope you're feeling great. I'm feeling great. Great, quick 15-minute total body and balance workout there. Day one of the 7-day refresh. All right, hope to see you in the other 6 classes, okay? Have a great day wherever you're at. Love each other, love yourselves, and I'll see you again soon. Adios.